felt? After how long it's okay for people to kiss?
I think according to me is when you feel like it.
And what's the fastest you felt like?
आपके हिसाब से प्यार क्या है? कब होता है प्यार?
Contacted me saying that he's launching his new book and he would like me to be there with him to do that. I was quite excited because I think he's an icon in his own right, and a lot of people follow him as a person and get inspired by the stories he writes, which are really modern and very young, and they say something which is relevant while entertaining us. Besides all of that, I actually told Chetan when I met him just now, your books are like fast food. They're really enjoyable, they're easy to read, but he responded back by saying, but they're actually good for you. So yeah, it's something that's good for you, which is entertaining, fresh and young, and it's good for you to read. And so I'm really grateful to be a part of his new book launch, which I think is hopefully going to be a revolution. I haven't had a chance to read this book, and I'm sure I'm going to enjoy it when I do.
Actually, I'll tell you what is Revolution 2020. Most of all, it's a love story, but it's a little different love story from my earlier ones. How many of you here have read at least one of my books? Okay, so quite a few. So, they're very sweet love stories so far. They're very secure. The boy and girl are very secure about each other's love. They are in love, and that's what it happens. But love is never like that, right? Love actually nowadays has changed a lot. People have become very selfish in love. How many of you have been hurt in love? Okay. All. Who hasn't been hurt in love? You haven't been hurt in love, Sonam?
I break hearts.
Have you ever? Okay. Have you been in love?
Lots of times.
Okay, so that's good. But for those of us who don't look like Sonam Kapoor, we often get hurt in love, right?
Industry as well, it happens where really popular films get banned by the critics, but they do extremely well, and I think that happens a lot too. But for me, critics have been extremely kind, and I think I'm going because of that. So I want to understand that, does it matter to you or not, like being critically acclaimed?
Well, even if it does matter to me, it's not going to happen. Right? I get a lot of criticism, right? I get but I also have a lot of readers. So even if 1% of people don't write me, so if I have 1 crore readers, that's still 1 lakh people who really hate me. And somehow they're all on Twitter and plotting. I'm sure as we are talking, somebody is writing on Twitter. Yeah, what are these 2 idiots doing on stage? So I think it's true that whenever you write something very popular, it gets banned by a very class audience. Basically, they wanted to choose a guy in Bollywood you have a crush on.
Well, actually, the character I first fell in love with was Howard Rock. Okay, now that I read Ayn Rand's books, I'm like, I don't know what I was thinking and why do I love her? Why did I love her so much when I was 16 years old? But I think the only person who can say that, who has that kind of visual, I think to a certain extent, either Ajay Devgn or Hrithik Roshan, either or, I think. Because they have that austere thing going for them.
Every author has certain values. I'm very Indian, but in some ways I'm not the typical Indian. I am quite liberal. I don't think it's a big deal if a boy and a girl are in love, they decide what they want to do with each other. I don't think society decides that. So I'm okay with it, and I mean, Sonam, you don't have to say anything, otherwise somebody will go portray something. But I really feel, I think it's okay, and India is changing. You think those things don't happen? They happen or they don't happen. So, but how can you say it's not Indian? It's Indian. How did 1.2 billion Indians come to this earth? Yeah. How?
There you go. I just make a point. Like when Indian guys and Indian girls, when they first meet, I don't think of first kiss.
Oh my God.
How long should it take according to Indian rules? Sonam, please tell, after how long it's okay for people to kiss?
I think according to me, it's when you feel like it.
Yeah, when you feel like. And what's the fastest you felt like?
I usually, you know, when you meet a person, you feel like you're usually.
Be honest, be specific.
I cannot be specific. It's embarrassing.
Wow. Who was it?
I'm not going to say
Your
that.
English teacher?
No. They were all old and weird and
Okay.
women.
So you have made some bad choices in men.
I think as a girl, I think a lot of the choices that I've made make me who I am. So I never regret any of the choices that I've made. So I will never call them bad choices because they make me who I am. Right
But
now.
were they a little silly?
Yeah, I was dating some of my tattoos from here to here.
You were dating someone who has tattoos from here to there.
Yeah, but it's fine. I've gotten over that phase.
What were the tattoos saying? Your name?
No, I have my own name tattooed on my body.
Okay.
आपके हिसाब से प्यार क्या है? कब होता है प्यार?
I don't think प्यार का कोई टाइमिंग है और मौसम ही नहीं है। पर प्यार जो होता है makes the world go round. I think love makes the world go round.
आपको अभी है किसी से?
Guys, nobody's business. But I mean,
I think people will start buying, and you know, while it's still a long while away, they have to become more affordable for Indians. But it's a fantastic. I mean, ebooks are fantastic. You don't have to carry. You can carry your whole bookshelf in your pocket literally. But the fun of a real paper book will also not go away. So both will there. I think we have to let Sonam go, and I'll be here to sign books,
Yeah.
and you can give some bites.